Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the screen and battery of your Surface Pro 4. To start, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a heat gun, a plastic spudger, a Torx T5 screwdriver, tweezers, and a suction cup. Ensure you have these tools ready for a smooth repair process. Begin by turning off your Surface Pro 4. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Once it's off, use the heat gun to gently warm the edges of the screen. This will soften the adhesive, making it easier to remove the screen. Be cautious not to overheat, as this can damage internal components. After heating, apply the suction cup near the edge of the screen and gently pull while using the spudger to pry the screen open. Work your way around the device carefully to avoid breaking any clips. If you find it difficult, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you out. Once the screen is removed, you'll see the battery. Disconnect the battery connector using your tweezers. Next, remove the screws holding the battery in place with your Torx T5 screwdriver. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Carefully lift the battery out of the device. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the device. This will not only help in the installation of the new components but also increase the lifespan of your device. If you're uncomfortable performing this cleaning or the replacement, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier to get your device serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Place it in the compartment and secure it with the previously removed screws. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Make sure it's firmly attached to avoid any power issues. Next, prepare the new screen for installation. Before placing it, ensure that the adhesive is ready. If you need to replace the adhesive, now is the time to do so. Gently align the screen with the device and press it down evenly to secure it in place. If you're unsure about the adhesive process, remember we offer a quote before repair to give you a clearer idea of the costs involved. Finally, once the screen is securely attached, power on the Surface Pro 4 to test the new screen and battery. If everything works correctly, you've successfully replaced the screen and battery. If you encounter any issues, do not hesitate to contact us for assistance. We're here to help with any further repairs you might need. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.